And they say no comedian so and you mo be at one Okada mama. What I say? Okada mine. His Excellency, the Okada mine. I was here K1ngHghana. Any other TikTokers abe clash with John Mahama. After say Okada bill na ewa Ghana hanomo. Okada amendment bill na ewa Ghana hanomo. Mahama a pass or make amendment no pass it. Ama now no. Single cycled motor. Ebe ye adwuma be fed the pania de ade ewo Ghana hanomo. Eno ana TikTokers no abe clash with John Mahama. Me man chire mu no achire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mess was say need you mo. Oba like video no ada ma subscribe button na be click notification icon for the latest update na be chire wadwen de ama me ewo comment section so ba so no che for so enya bi ahwe. You know, say we study Mahama 2012 election campaign song, 2016 election campaign song, and 2020 na enyum ba ku bi run through Okada mama what I say na ni nyina ne say oba Okada adwuma no obehye mu kena na Mahama ni ju Okada ho pa Okada de da ni ju Okada na you say Ghana haye wo mra road safety ye road safety hye no ye wo mra de bo ho pan aye mra ne say under no circumstance should a single motor be used for public transport. Illegal. Ghana ha na enye legal. And because of that, no ye wo enkronkro ni bi kra na even tricycled motor Okada pragia no kra no omo ban ne ye. And even baby o man ban ne kra no ye wo areas bia only for Okada no another pragia no enkofa ho no mo. Because it is not, you know, a legally accepted means of public transport. It isn't legally accepted. Just that, you know, a boabo nipa ma country adebia kronemu no a boabo ntino in some ways na some ya shade buyani egoso kakra. But now beyond that na e wo honomo e ma be kai kwa na nsia mu se e ba se ya chichi nipa no bebrebe na omu di moto ni ade ya chichi bebrebe na omu e boafu ma le gbasentale ana omu eni abre ho pa hiti towards him. Na enra and say ko ba say the single and I said the Okada amendment bill no His Excellency wa revisit ama wa pass that particular bill no ama bill pass here now no Okada ebe ya adwuma as public transport between Okada moto ebe ye ebe permit ama now no moto between the moto aye atutu kwai na ade akọ mmia and you know say Ghana ashenkafo no ho adeba akọ because me I am a rider, I ride moto mitwi moto Ghana ashenkafo say no motie say all the moto nam kwan so they don't respect you udi agura ombeku simple Ghana omontwi cars no say all the moto nam kwan so oba ono na mfa no ho wajejem no oba obe cross no on save obe bowo tete because omomutwi motos no ya na omo ye drivers for na he enti omuka they don't need the motor riders on the road na ekoba say ya legalizing motor riders na motor be cross the cars na they imagine the number of accidents that happen on a highways. Imagine what does imagine ana motor kra no just say amount for the book chrononia there because obi the motor chrono bar any car chrono no a motor ya fast as compared to car or better we say no adwan no okọ enti ya nye motor legal no na nke boa robbery case na nke eboa but now na ye be ye legal no ensem ha kakra minisem panimfo animdefo akukudam ana kwatena ase adwene ye ese ye but ensem ha ebe ha adwene kakra eno ana community of K1ngHghana and other TikTokers are clash with John Mahama on this purpose.
I don't know what is wrong with Mahama as I'm talking to you, but I can assure Ghanaians, say the president currently he's not thinking straight. For the president to take such decisions, say we are saying anymore no idea to for a few 8 years. About who's we are saying developing technology, nimdia, and Krobia, drinking quite a bema the Kromo effect. Now, Nika, in terms of security, come breakfast for body Kromo buying. Mahama, no attitude. The 12 money was 8 years. I'm cutting a view, but who said, just 8 years, we are satisfied. And for Mahama to be able to realize all these things and jump over it at the end of the day to say, we legalize this moto. Say the Nigeria for the moto feni pakoban enye jumo Ghana. So jina kwa wabe wanu Okada nam kwa huna moto koba was waga you go take na feni pana krodu ye de snatch man for phones. Nigeria for this idea ye juma. Nigeria for ye juma. And then as I'm talking to you, Enugu State, a lot of states in Nigeria almost banned the use of moto for commercial purposes. Ghana rules and regulations, what nyaba, so babe amende, a road traffic, your bill, no babe amende, no ama motorcycle, or any point. Are you really employing Nigerians or giving them jobs? But my question is, Ghana from some Mr. President, what was saying what me are creating jobs for? What about joining Nigeria for what's in young Ghana for be employ one more? Because the motor business is their business, it's not our business. So are you saving the interest of the country or the interest of Nigerians? Mr. President, are you thinking? And I'm just watching, say Ghana need your son to NECC or mind that with yes, to come under my comment section and say nonsense. And to Ghana penny for Muko UK na Germany ha. Namoko eye US hwani ajade no who say moto nam kwan mu epic ni pa like madwene ben ye dwene parliament was no he will be here to protect the integrity of our nation and the integrity that will surround posterity. I don't know how you people are thinking in the parliament, but I think someone will brought down bin awot eh Jimmy no Jimmy and amu who say we are say konani. How can you sit down as a president how do okuro security wise Nigerians are complaining moto we am for the kumnipa the kidnapping nipa the snatch am for phones. Nigerians are complaining how a moto aid you and you are able to sit down to sign, allow this to become a law. Same moto, Okada, let me feni pakoba for commercial purposes. Hey, this country we are crazy. This country, a bad dama, manewra parliament where ye kwasya fokeke. And ya ti wo mind soon, wo mind that is when the people do not understand the reason why we sit down to make video. Ghana actually legalizing motor for commercial purposes. Mahama, are you okay?
Jem opajuma dia bo man Ghana na dia biem na sie se ba kaya aya be se man panyi kofo mra sokra eno mo ye mra li 47 editi ase mo bia Okada enya adwuma man Ghana mu etrete huntumi mfa moto nkofa nipa nyini sika se trotro no eno mo ye tie he se ye be hwa Nigeria Benin Togo kire se eno no omu means of transportation any traffic light ni nya so pe uko Bangladesh moto be 5523 ene be ka tukura atara ka ba kwanya kwan yakọ eno ena no mpeso me de ba man Ghana mu eno me ya mreti ase mo bia mfa moto nya adwuma emfefe nipa ena eye 2020 abato onum no ye be ka ya obampanyi Mahama ne nyom kro bo boy ene ne campaign oye nyina no on ye ochire mu se oba be je eye Okada tum amamabunu nya adwuma ye
Rantemuri inna anoni gira
na enra ena eye transport minister e call eye parliament se omubobo ho no munyintum na ye ntumi fo Okada enya adwuma enunti na parliament agye atum atrese ebe kwakoda eye president Mahama na so ama na sensan agye atum ama Okada betumi aye adwuma enya motorcycle nko apragi aka ho sa so ena de bia ne nan ye enan atrese wo pia ko nanim moto wom wo spark agye to brum na what otumi ko ya adwuma obanu aso kwa kwaje eye safety features te say seat belt na nema kaka ho ya say o de abo adwuma we ne ba amamabunu atumi anya adwuma ye
when you took 240 million na ye get
adiwe osi wo friend den gh den to gbe osekosi gh kosi make asem ya kire wa ha se uri jimi wo ho awa ho oya jimi wo ho na akọ baabi ade ya metan ni se obi ri jimi ne ho na na me ya santini me ya kwasea obi ebisa afọ akọ a wo fi we hu asantini kwasea te se woda asantini jimi bi te se wo hu bi da enti se obe jimi ho a jimi wo ho na kọ amanfo no ansa na mewie me kasa wa wore ntene a me kana asinti wo be ba after me no bo modern ase wo be kwakwohwe GH Poki video we ansa na nya wo ka kire me na wa be ka kire me na ehunya ase me so me bua wa mebua wo GH Poki si afia batu atwa mu no onyim nyansa onye kwasea nti oto na abama NDC that means say yen anase won a eto won abama MPP nyina de yen kwaseafo eye jimifo aye nim nyansa very good wa kire na adwen enye hwe na GH Poki aha na membe baba ma we hu se wo ye kwasea wo so kwasea ebi maida Mosa mmoa doma bi to se monom ene ye jamo ye nhwehwa adwene mu ne ye ja kwasea bi aso nkoto aba na makoto aba na oman ase asan na achi ogwan kraman ba wo se woto aba ma NDC because of yi gate aha na eche se wo ye kwasea mu kwasea aha na eche se wo ye ogwan wo ye okraman na ntwiba preko anyansa bia ani wo mu utie nyansa me ka kire wo se yi gate Dr. Bawumia de $1 billion impo na fixi yi gate a eso wonfaso bebre 100% esen pad wo ye kwase enti no wo criticize yi gate na we jaw pad between pad Mahama pad a odi millions of dollars share pad mu so cheche pad am school for any yi gate e mo ne he na ye causing financial law to the state wo ye kwase a wagimi nyansa wo wutim wo ye nipa na wo ye aboa bempa na wo maame wo between yi gate and nkokon ketenkete ne we na ye causing financial law to the state wo ye kwase ampani ana jimi na wo pese wo jimi wo pese wo besua nyansa we jan nkokon ketenkete anu so what the same millions of dollars in ewure mu anu mpo enye Ghana ni bia na eri nya ho faso abeye sa kana na we se wa bechiche nkokon ketenkete weja wanu ato wo criticize yi gate eno no ewo ho ma Ghana ogwan na ntwi wo kwa brochira yi gate wo ho mampani bia ni wo wa brochira oye kwase a wagimi a onu si otam oman sika e de acheche pad na wagimi wo ye kwase a mampani ben Europe America Asia mampani ben no ye kwasea to the stand say o so tam oman sika de acheche pad wo criticize yi gate no wo ho my state na afeball Ghana ho na meka no Dr. Bawumia wo ye kwasea wo hu Dr. Bawumia sa no adwumada kurase ni jibifu biari hu Dr. Bawumia sa no adwumada mampani be na wagimia to the sun say obeka mo man sika so de cheche nkokon ketenkete wo ya aboa nantwi kura nim ne ye nantwi wo kwa brochira yi gate wo ho nkokon ketenkete ni ho mampani bi ni wo ye kwase a obeta mo man sika so de cheche nkokon ketenkete enti yi gate na ye $1 billion na Dr. Bawumia ye ya ye nim nyansa wo man nim de ye hu se eso won faso sen kokon ketenkete ne pad kraman ba 1 year ni Mahama bai ni a wutimi ye ne se wo kofa emo 5 kilo ena wo ye kwase enti wonam wazimzim se nantwi a ne mfafo egwan ye gya no nantwi a wato praka ena wokita emo 1 kilo Mahama bai na emo no na the time na ye say Mahama bai na ye omo 1 kilo ena Mahama bai 1 year ni nyina no emfaso a wenya ye mo 5 kilo awokoto ya to ne price so ogwan bi se aboa bi te se wo na wo ba be kasa jimimu kasa fuka sa akire nipa kraman ba emo 5 kilo 1 year ni nyina enti emo between emo 5 kilo ene nanado free SHS ne we na nyansani befa na ne we na kwasea befa aboa ben pa na betusu emo 5 kilo over free SHS over education kwasea ben pa na betusu emo 5 kilo over education o kasaba ho safohin se wako school njimi ye ene wanko school di anka wo bedi bin meka no kware a kire wo se wo kwako school a de bo ho safohin mponi a wanko school di anka wo benne na wadi okraman biba esiden na NDCF are better than MPP we ye kwase akura asasem we wo beka wagimi kura asasem we wo beka wo yo kraman ba krampa asem we wo beka many would the dance say ye MPP and ambulance cry ye ni bi wo Ghana ambulance ya mo jimi mo ye nkwasiafo o man no mo penny development and I say then am hwehwe mo JJ Rollins dia the 19 good years na Ghana to say ekurase ekokufu adawroma na MPP adawroma ansa na wotumi de ambulance bre Ghana na wo ye kwasia krampa enye wo fe wo kwa brochiri kro bia so a omo government buses ansa na Kufuor beba na government bus ba kokra ye ni bi Kufuor na de government buses se bai bi se nyansani bia no nka kire wo ye school ni abas ne furu ni free kwasie mu kwasia NDC ban wo be collapse no eno gina so si NDC ye better than MPP a we jimi ana wo ye kwasia Kufuor na de health insurance bai maternity care free maternity care no de bai ono be ye basic education free aboa mokasa monka de ka de ba ko abeka si enu nti na woto aba ema NDC ase yigate ogwan yigate no anye hwe kra de 1 billion na ye kra yigate no wo ho sika wode wura confirm no a confirm wa ama sika wa ama wo ye kwasia nti no eno wa hu hwe amfa ho aden na magimi saa and drone services are Dr. Bawumia da room or the buy wa ben yi buy wa betwa drone service mu wo ye kwasia we ja we no ato ho akwakofa emo 5 kilo na wo ye okraman a wo ye nantwiba wo ye aboe maboa aka between drone services I be service your mind no ene emo 5 kilo ne we na obefa ogwan mo kasa mo fa nyansa nkasa mo fa nyansa nkasa 1 year ni meka chiro se kire me nyansa de ba ko a Mahama ya nya kwasie bia beka ne se o de dollar ba fo meba be kire mo se sa dollar na musa ba fo nkra ye scam wo ye kwasie nti wo hu Dr. Bawumia membu meka se esisudua aboa biare nti ase kwasie biare nti ase wo nye nyansa ni a wo ri hu da nantwiba
to the wide mama our comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!